Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to almost very bottom because we have to find additional settings. So let's tap on it. Now let's tap on languages and region, and input, and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. Right here we've got the English option applied, it is marked, and basically it is so easy in this device because all you have to do is to find your new language and tap on it. Of course, you can also enter the name of it, so you don't have to scroll. After finding, simply tap on it. So let me pick Greek, and as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language, in my case Greek. Let me show it to you again. Let me change it. Just tap on this option and find any other language. Tap on it and it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.